Fonts on your PC. On your browser, type Google Fonts. Get the first link. And we'll download the fonts. For example, I'm going to download 3 for the demo. Okay, this one. Get font. This one here. Download it. Font. So after downloading, the first method, you go to downloads. So look, the first method, yeah, just double click and then install. That is done. Then method 2, we'll use this one here. Say extract. We'll extract. Then this is the file. Click OK. Then say install for all users. Click install for all users. That is done. Then method 3, the first one we are going to will extract. We'll extract this. Extract. So after extraction, go to desktop, then click on personalize. then fonts, and we'll drag and drop here. We'll drag and drop. So let's go to this is the file we have extracted. So we'll just drag and drop it there. So this one is already installed. So that is so we can see the fonts. So these are the fonts. I hope you find this useful. You can share with your friends and other people. Thank you.